I am running out of things to shoot. You know, I post these videos every week about my journey learning VFX with little bits of my life mixed in, right? But honestly, I think like my life is normal, but maybe boring. I just work from home, I go pick my kid up from school, do house chores, and I don't go out that much. At the same time, I'm curious about all of these new AI tools coming out in the VFX space, right? And I figured, why not solve both problems with the intro, with this intro being the experiment. I always try to put some kind of VFX element in my videos just to like reinforce what I'm learning, even if it's small. So for this intro, I tried out Beeble Canvas that just came out and basically just made a copy of their astronaut template and tried to copy what each node was doing for my own clips. It wasn't 100% perfect. For example, I was trying to turn this dog into this little mystical dog thing, and that didn't work at all. But the rotoscoping and the background replacement were pretty good. I did end up using a lot of credits though, mostly because I kept testing different features and backgrounds that weren't coming out right, so it took multiple rounds to get there. Platform tools like Beeble and models like Seedance 2.0 can give really impressive results, but every experiment costs credits. Comfy UI gives me more room to test locally for free, but I'm not sure if there's an open source model yet that can do what Seedance does at that level. So hopefully the models catch up, but in the meantime, I'm just going to continue learning Comfy UI because I really want to understand what I'm doing and not just be pressing buttons and hoping for the best. Alright, let me give you an update on where I am with my Unreal Engine course. This week started with creating animations in Sequencer using the skeletal animations that were already baked into the character. Then we used the control rig to customize those animations more, including making adjustments in the curved editor. After that, we downloaded a character with animations from Mixamo, and we had to use Blender to separate the bow and arrow from the character. I never really used Blender before, so I figured this was a good time to try the Claude and Blender MCP setup. It didn't get it right the first time, but on the second try it worked, which was very cool. Then I got to the part where we had to import the animations back into Unreal, and that's where things started acting up. I spent some time troubleshooting, but I couldn't get it working, so I'll have to come back to it later. But I think I'm done for now. I'll catch you guys next week.